The Kitchen of the Future, 2025 Smart, Sustainable, and Stylish Revolution. In 2025, the kitchen is no longer just a room to cook in. It's a high-tech hub of sustainability, automation, and personalized convenience. As modern lifestyles continue to demand efficiency and wellness, the kitchen has transformed to meet these expectations. This year, 5 key trends are dominating kitchen design and functionality, offering an exciting blend of innovation and practicality. Whether thou art renovating or simply curious about what the future of cooking looks like, these developments are changing everything from how we store food to how we interact with our appliances. One of the biggest shifts in the 2025 kitchen is the rise of smart AI-integrated appliances, from voice-controlled ovens to refrigerators that track expiration dates and suggest recipes based on your current inventory. The kitchen hath never been more intelligent. These systems use real-time data synced with your smart devices to reduce food waste, save time, and optimize cooking processes. Imagine waking up to a morning briefing from your kitchen display, recommending meals based on your dietary goals, current ingredients, and even your biometric data from your fitness tracker. This level of personalization is not just convenient. It's becoming the norm. And for podcast creators, the visual possibilities are vivid. Touchscreen panels glowing with data, interactive fridges, and a kitchen seamlessly communicating with your smart home ecosystem. Another dominant trend is sustainable materials and zero-waste kitchen systems. The post-2020s emphasis on climate consciousness has led to a surge in eco-friendly kitchen setups. Think bamboo countertops, recycled glass backsplashes, composting systems built directly into cabinetry, and refill stations for pantry staples to reduce packaging. Homeowners are increasingly embracing water-saving faucets, energy-efficient induction cooktops, and biodegradable cleaning solutions. These eco-upgrades not only reduce the carbon footprint, but also bring a modern, clean aesthetic to the space. In visual storytelling, the contrast between traditional materials and these earth-toned, sustainable alternatives can create compelling podcast illustrations, reflecting the harmony between innovation and environmental responsibility. Multifunctionality and space efficiency are also trending, especially as urban living continues to reduce the square footage of kitchens. Fold-out countertops, built-in cutting boards, and compact appliances that serve dual purposes, like air fryer oven hybrids, are making their mark. The minimalist kitchen of 2025 is modular, with storage systems that adapt to the user's lifestyle. Magnetic walls for hanging utensils, pull-out pantries, and concealed charging stations for devices are just a few examples. This shift also supports the gig economy and remote work culture, allowing kitchen spaces to double as casual work areas. Visualizing this part of the future kitchen offers an opportunity to showcase compact transformation, before and after, open versus closed configurations, or even split screens showing how different families use their modular setups. Finally, there's a growing trend of wellness-centric design that brings nature into the kitchen. Biophilic elements, like indoor herb gardens, hydroponic systems, and large daylight-maximizing windows, are designed to boost mood and improve air quality. In 2025, many homes incorporate smart planters that regulate water and nutrients automatically, allowing even novice gardeners to grow their own food. This trend isn't just aesthetic. It ties into a broader movement toward food security, self-sufficiency, and mental health. Kitchens are now sanctuaries as well as workspaces. For your podcast format, this is a rich visual area. Plant-lined counters, glowing LED growth systems, and tranquil morning routines surrounded by greenery bring an uplifting, health-focused story to life.